Hello, what's up, doll friends? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning back in. Today I'm doing a box opening and maybe a doll review because it's a doll that has been around for a while. Most people have it, so because I'm in South Africa and I only started doll collecting just last year, I'm only getting to get these dolls, so I wanted this doll so much. But before I talk about this doll, I just want to do the box opening, so let's do it. I brought my scissors this time. See, the doll was well packaged, but I put him aside. I bought him like about the last month or 2 months ago, and I didn't take him out, and he got squashed. The box got squashed wherever I put it. I hope the doll is still intact. I know the seller made sure that he's secure and safe. Well, this is a doll pre-owned. Oh, I squashed the box, and I did see the pictures. He was not squashed. It's where I put him under my bags and stuff. Okay, this is not Barbie Looks number 18. This has just been boxed in here. It's a different doll. So let's see who's in here. If you can guess who is it, it's a male doll. Obviously, I'm saying if you can guess, and I'm gonna put on a thumbnail of the doll. Okay. Let's get some music on. Ladies and gentlemen, dolls. He is finally here. Oh, look how nicely it has been secured. You can already see who it is. Oh. Stand. Even though I don't use these stands ever. Ladies and gentlemen, my second BMR 1959. Oh, he even has his glasses. Look at him. 1, 2, 3. There he is. Isn't he gorgeous? Okay, we need some lighting. I know you know him, some of you know him, but hey, this is the first for me. He reminds me of my husband, so obviously what I'm going to be doing is I need somebody to do his makeup for me, change his hair color or make him bald. I want him to have black hair or make him bald. I'll show you somebody's doll by Zita the Barbie girl on Instagram. I saw this doll and he's got black hair and he just reminded me of my husband. So everything is intact. Doll comes wearing this jacket. Okay, so I'm already doing like kind of like a review. He comes wearing this jacket. Okay, it's been attached onto his pants. Since I'm keeping him, let me just take him off. He comes wearing these dungarees, quite cool dungarees, and platforms. No, we ain't doing the platforms. We're gonna cut them off because this is my man. not crafting, if I'm not working on my orders, sewing orders, I'm busy with the kids, so I don't have time for manicures or even applying paint, nail polish. Okay, the t-shirt is velcro at the back. Obviously you already know the joints. Let's see how easy the shoes come off. Easy peasy, just like that. So you already know the movements, the knees, the ankle, the arms, the elbows, and the hands. Tuck to the hand. And what else? What else, sir? And yeah, it looks like he can dance. Can you see? Let's put on your glasses. There's our guy. Yo, man, it's good to be here. So I don't know if I'm gonna use these accessories. I love the glasses, obviously. The boots, I'm gonna cut them off. I'm gonna ask Marina Rose to cut them for me. I'm not gonna try because I'm scared I might cut them off. We ain't doing platforms, sir. And the hair must go. The pants, well, I think he'll keep these pants. My husband is also into these neon colors. The jacket, don't know if I should keep it or sell it. So nice, well made jacket, BMR1959. Okay, this doll comes with a stand. I never use these big stands because I don't display my dolls. My dolls are actors in my story. If you've watched my other review videos, you know I prefer my dolls to stand. So Mr. here can stand. He's got nail polish. Oh no, I ain't got no nail polish and he's got nail polish. Okay, you gotta do away with the nail polish. Okay, so this plastic here, if you're wondering why is he wearing plastic sleeves, is to prevent the jacket from coming off onto the vinyl. You see, that's why he comes wearing this jacket. I mean, this plastic sleeves. They look kind of cool anyway. So here's my man. So you can take pictures now. Cool. All right. You can't see him when he's standing. I must just adjust it. Ladies and gentlemen, here's a better view of our guy here, Mr. Cool. Ain't he cool? He can pose. I wonder if these shoes are the ones that are enabling him to pose so cool. Look at him. He stands like, you know what, bro, like, look at him. Okay, let's remove this jacket just to have a clear stage for this sir. This was for his face, to protect his face. Look at him. Oh wow, I am loving him. Okay, doll friends, thank you for tuning into my channel. Please press that like button and subscribe and share the video. Please help my channel grow and share the video. Thank you. Bye. That we should blame for never thinking we end up this way. I don't need answers, I need you to stay.